now I am at stall number 74, the most energetic stall, which is for the PYMA, which stands for Pyramid Youth for Meditation and Ahimsa. So now we are going to talk to all the PYMA members and also with the president of AP, which is Harshita. So let's see how energetic this youth is. Hi everyone.
Hi. Hi PMC English.
I can't hear you guys. Hi. How are you finding Dhyana MahaChakram? Is PYMA the only energetic group over here? Or yes! I don't think so because their energy speaks little low right now. Okay. So right now we have Harshita with us, who is the president for PYMA AP. So she's going to explain us about the PYMA, what exactly PYMA stands for and what is the stall all about. Hi Harshita.
Hi. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity to us. So hi guys, this is PYMA Stall. PYMA means Pyramid Youth for Meditation and Ahimsa. The youth, Pyramid Youth who are meditating and who are spreading the meditation and about the importance of Ahimsa. So we all are the members of PYMA. Guys, once tell me what is PYMA is? So that is PYMA, Pyramid Youth for Meditation and Ahimsa. And we are conducting so many activities regularly, and we are conducting the activities in DMC also. And here in this stall, we are having new registrations, like who are going to join in the PYMA, they can join here. And we are going to explain what PYMA is and the importance of meditation and also the importance of vegetarianism to all the youth attending here. And also we are doing the volunteering works here, like in the reception, hospitality, and at the stage, and at the Annadhanam. So we are very happy to do the work also here. So thank you so much.
Why do you think that the people who are coming from across the globe should come to your stall and should have a look at the stall? Like, how is it different from other stalls over here?
Of course, you know the youth energy, like how important the youth age is. This is the right age to know what life is, because the life starts from this age. So when you come to know about what life exactly is, so life is a celebration, celebrate every moment, and nobody knows how to travel the journey of life, what is the right way of living. So when you learn the right way of living, this is the right age to know what life is, so that you can do amazing things, miracles in the life is. So Swami Vivekananda and so many members, APJ Abdul Kalam, so many Adi Shankaracharya, they found so many things, they done miracles. So at this age, so there is a youth energy inside us. So when we found that, we can do miracles. So this is the right age to know what life is, and that is why PYMA is here now.
Wonderful. So this was Harshita, So I guess now you have known what PYMA stands for, that is Pyramid Youth for Meditation and Ahimsa. And I request everybody who are coming from across the globe to attend or to visit this stall so that you get to know more about it. And if at all you want to join PYMA, you can come down and you can contact the team. They have a lot of volunteers working round the clock for you guys. So do visit this stall, which is stall number 74 over here. So before I sign off from this stall, I want you all to hear the energetic voice of this today's youth. So guys,
I am PYMA. We are PYMA. Let's join PYMA. Thank you.
Wonderful guys. So this is the energetic youth of today. So do visit this stall, which is stall number 74, right opposite to the stage. Thank you.